Hello my dear students, my name is Mukesh Janwa. I'm an English trainer. My many lovely students requested me to record the videos on advanced English. Although we are running separate online advanced English course batches, but even I thought that let me give few tips. Tip number 1 is that most of the students, they don't know overall uses of words. The easiest example I'm taking is make. People think it's very easy. It's a verb, make, mad. It is. But you don't know all the uses of make. I'm taking one expression, that is make it, M-A-K-E, make it. The first meaning of make it is to be successful in your career. For example, he never really made it as an actor. In Hindi it's called वो अपने आप को as an actor सफल नहीं बना पाया उसके करियर में. The second use of make it to succeed in reaching a place in a time. किसी जगह पे समय से पहले या समय पर पहुंचना. Especially when something is very difficult. For example, the flight leaves in 20 minutes. Will never make it. नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे हम. So this is the second use of make it. Now third use of make it. To be able to be present at a place. For example, I'm sorry, I won't be able to make it. It means to a party, I won't be able to reach there. I won't be able to be present there. The last use of make it, to survive after a serious illness or accident. In other words, you can say to deal successfully with a difficult experience. For example, the doctors think he's going to make it. Doctors सोचते हैं कि ये difficult illness है, tough situation है, but he's going to make it means he's going to survive. So these were 4 uses of make it expression, and there are so many other uses. This was a small part of advanced English. You try to frame more sentences as I made few examples. Then after practice yourself these expressions, the more you practice and the more expressions you get in your speaking, it becomes very flexible to use English expressions and sentences. If you really want me to continue this session, drop yes into the chat box. And don't forget to write your genuine feedback. If you want to learn basic English, we have playlist I have mentioned into the iTab. Click and watch the videos. If you like our videos, subscribe, press all bell icon and share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a great time.